Hello everybody, my name is Jansen and I'm the CEO of TIOBE Software. In this video we are going to look at the TiCS Dashboard. It's a general introduction to show you the main components of this dashboard. Here we see the TiCS viewer. You can have a look at it yourself by going to the URL ticsdemo.tiobe.com. If you open that one, you see something like this, and it exists actually out of 4 different parts. At the left hand side you see all your projects and all your scores, so your quality scores. As you can see, there's one project scoring an B, doing very well, and there's also a project scoring an F. You can click on a project, for instance this one, and then it will open the project and you can go into the folder structure of that project. You can dive as deep as you want. If you want to go back, you can click on start again, then you go back home and you can do something else. In the middle you see the indicator, and that indicates where you are with your complete project. So in this case we have a total score of D. If you hover over the various labels here, you can also see what the percentages are that are needed to qualify for a certain level. Because we have 60% here, you see you have a D because it's more than 50, but it's less than 70. You can also go into details here with a specific metric. So if you are interested in the scores for coding standards, you can click on it and everything will change. Well, actually the projects remain the same, of course, but you see here different labels, different scores for the projects. It looks much better. It's not D, it's a C. You can hover over this one, you see the exact score, 75% for the coding standards. You also see the weight of the coding standard in the total, which is 10%. Here at the top right, you see the trend. So the trend is about, this case, the coding standard. So if I click TQI score, you see the trend of the whole system, the whole complete quality. And it's going down, which is, of course, a pity. Here in the right bottom, you see the tree map. And this actually depicts all the files in the system. As you can see, every block is a file. The bigger the block, the bigger the file, and the color indicates your score. So you see, for instance, this is a red one, which has lots of bad files, whereas the area 2 has a lot of green files, so it's doing okay. And here below you see the legend, why the colors are that way. So what the indication of the quality is that way. This ends actually the tutorial of the front page. There are other tutorials that will go into more detail about the different parts of this dashboard.